Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Assistant Commissioner Jonker West Jaiñtia Hills District ki email ya CH moment kala play ke intensified ICE campaign ha ke International Youth Day lokaphang local youth actions for the sustainable development goals and beyond ha ke jialang ka berpenlong da ke district integrated strategy for HIV AIDS clear yard cluster ringkat ka jinga trailang bar ke internal quality assurance cell jonga Thomas Jones Senior College la kershan da ke Megalai AIDS Control Society Shillong Cluster Program Manager Jangga District Integrated Strategy HIV AIDS Subah Sandy Taryang Lapintip bakat kum gejinglum jingken gejingdan jangki beri ki beim beru Khñiang jingpang HIV tang ha is bat ha West Jaiñtia Hills kidan Kumba Hajar Ngut Hagani skin adan langru ke Principal Jangga Thomas Jones Senior College ke Dr. Inongbri Vice Principal ubat WEH Lamin ke Counselor Jangga ICTC Jawai Civil Hospital ke Kong M Taryang bat kiwe Hadir gajian lang lapun langpat se gajian rally blay shimbentari kena school bagi samla puli ke Blastang Thomas Jones Senior College syuruk surak HK Singh balapun kutpat hapelau Jangga College.
This virus is no longer a threat, but it is a full-blown crisis. So this is where the intensified IUC campaign comes in to spread the correct information, to promote early testing, to encourage safe practices and to reach to the vulnerable groups with compassion. But this fight against this HIV/AIDS, it's not just a medical issue, it is a social one because the stigma attached to the disease and the discrimination has prevented people from stepping out to seek help. So we must all remember that a person living with HIV is first and foremost a person, and one deserves to live with dignity, and they deserve our compassion and our support. So to the youth here today, I want to urge all of you to be the ambassadors of awareness, to use your voice in your classrooms, among your peers, and in your communities to share the facts, to challenge prejudices, and to encourage testing because one informed conversation, it can save a life. So on this International Youth Day, I would like to pledge, let us all pledge to work together, the government, the institutions, and young people so that Meghalaya becomes a state where HIV is fought with knowledge and not with fear, and where compassion is stronger than stigma. So once again on behalf of the district administration, I would like to wish all the youths present here a happy International Youth Day, and to the District Integrated Strategy for HIV/AIDS, I wish you every success in this campaign, and I would like to express that the district administration will continue to extend our support in this campaign and in your future programs.
You are a contributor to the society, to your clanship, to your place of belief. If I'm going to say this, the youth are the future leaders, the innovators, and also the change makers. How you will embrace on these three tier? You have to start everything from yourself. Be loyal, just, and honest. Remember, you are what you are today because of your sweet, amazing, and sacrificed parents. So you are to be the return investment for them. And once you are just to yourself, then you can be justified, you can evaluate and assess in your youth life and use this period to the maximum, but abstain from any unwanted incident.
When we see about the rising trends of HIV and also not just the rising of the cases of HIV, but with it comes the stigma and discrimination against people living with HIV and other high-risk group. So there is a need that is from the central, that is from the National AIDS Control Organization. Since last year, they have come up with this intervention, which we call it an intensified IEC campaign. So due to the increase of the cases, not just in our state, but almost in the whole country, which we have almost 22 to 23 lakhs of cases in India. With regards to HIV, it seems that our state and most of the people in our state, especially in rural areas, they have a very less knowledge about HIV. And with this little knowledge they have, so it gives a way to the rising cases of stigma and discrimination. So through this IEC campaign, the Office of the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society Shillong, as well as the Office of the District Integrated Strategy HIV AIDS here in Jaiñtia cluster, there is a need to go to the cornermost of the districts here in West Jaiñtia Hills as well as in East Jaiñtia Hills to educate the people about HIV. So with this IEC campaign of this year, we target to reach almost 150 villages in West Jaiñtia Hills and also in East Jaiñtia Hills. Because when we assess the knowledge of the people, it seems that they require a little more knowledge because they are still lacking the knowledge about HIV.
วัดเป็นเลนเอยากนิกะกาบูกิศพที่โทกิบบ้าบัดช่องดอร์นาดูสาวโพหจาร์ฮัดูหันเรียวโพหจาร์ติงกามันตาพิลาบันโยฮักดอร์ไลโพหจาร์ติงกายากิศพที่โทบัดช่องดอร์เห็นโยโพหจาร์เชนเองพินโยตังสันโพหจาร์ติงกาตังกะตากะเวกิศพที่กะเดกะเวกดีไซน์ตั้งนักบินตาจงพีวันเจนอกลอยนำมอลายโมโรบัดนำหมดพรันพูนอมันตาเฮาคนได้สาวไลหันเรียวสันพราโยไลพรา